Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to make this origami bottle. These are two to go to flavors. So there is orange and kiwi, and my favorite is the orange. Anyway, that's enough talking for now, and let's get started with the tutorial. All you need to know, one square sheet of paper. So I'm going to use this red one here. So first thing you are going to do is you are going to take your piece of paper and you are going to fold it in half like this. After that, unfold it, and then using this horizontal crease that you just created, you are just going to fold it diagonally like this and bring it right to the center and align it right there. So just crease it in and then rotate, and repeat the same thing at this side. Now you are just going to fold it upward diagonally towards that horizontal crease, and then you have to work on the right side right over here. Now I'm going to fold it up about 1 centimeter, but you can really fold it as much as you want or as little as you want. Now you are just going to flip over the unit like this, and then you are going to take this bottom side over here and you are going to fold it past this horizontal crease. So you are just going to fold all the way up, about 1/3 of the way up. And how you know it's 1/3 of the way up is if this part over here is around the same size as this part over here. So you can just sort of use your eyeball to kind of gauge, or you can use a ruler if you want to be more exact. I'm just going to fold it up about this much, and then you are just going to repeat the same thing on this side. And now you have something that look like this. Okay, so after that you are just going to take this flap over here and you are going to slide it into the slot over right over here, so right behind the collar. So just slide it underneath like that and then push it in, and then you should be able to lay the bottle flat like this. All right, after that you have to fold down this point over here and you want to fold back, about maybe 2 would say this is, and then you are just going to fold it over one more time to create the snaffle cap. And now fold back along that corner just backward like this, and then slant a bottle as much as you want or as little as you want to lie this, so that the back look like that. And then you want to go ahead and repeat the same thing on this side. Once you have done that, you are completely done with your origami bottle. And now I'm just going to take my handy dandy Sharpie and decorate it. That is how you can make origami bottle. Hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you share this tutorial with your friends, and hashtag love Snapple, and I will see you guys next time. Make sure to subscribe to be alerted when new tutorial come. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.